During your performance, you will be under stage lights, so the purpose of wearing makeup to your show is to accentuate your facial features such as your eyes, your cheeks, and your lips. We're going to start off with a base layer of foundation that nicely matches your skin tone. From here, we will start enhancing your features, beginning with your cheeks by adding a little bit of blush. From there, we will go in with a neutral coloured eyeshadow to enhance the eyes. For the girls, you can add some black eyeliner and mascara. For the boys, just add mascara. To finish off the look, we will add a neutral brown lipstick. For girls with long hair, first we're going to part the hair and then section it into 2 ponytails. From there, we're going to plait one ponytail and then plait the other ponytail. From there, we're going to take one of the plaits, cross it underneath the other one and pin. Now we'll repeat to the other side. Please remember to use gel and hairspray to slick back and secure the hair. For boys with long hair, you are going to slick the hair off their face into a low, secure ponytail.
If your hair is too short to be put into a ponytail, make sure that it is slicked back off the face using gel or hairspray.